Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Tokyo wireless headphones. It is £100. There is a two colors option. You have a white and a black. Let's look at the features. They come with a built-in mic, 4 hours of battery. It supports Bluetooth 5.0. Playtime is 4 hours, but water resistant. It's not waterproof. It is IP4. Mainly focus on everyday use with the city noise as well as vehicle noise. So that will be giving you a little bit of noise isolation. The micro USB cable, so it is a very small headphone, same size as Samsung buds, very light, so they will stay in your ears rather than sticking out of your ears. They come with little foams, so you can change them into small, medium, large. It's a case, it's a small case, but it's a little more bigger, but it's very light case. Supports micro USB and it have the LED lights to display say if it's the charge or not. So they are £100, so we're going to test for the quality and audio delays. So you can hear it. So they are very loud and they have a little bit of bass. And there is no distortion, so the audio is very clear. And the fit is stays in your ears, also giving you a passive noise isolation. The quality wise, they do have really good bass. It's not the best bass I would say, but it is decent. So at the moment I'm watching Friends, so I just want to see the audio delay and how loud they can get. So that is on full volumes and it is loud, so there is no audio delay on the video while you're watching video. So if you are buying for travel, so when you're watching a movie, it isn't gonna give you that delay. Even with the low volumes, you don't get that distortion on the audio. If you are looking for a small headphone and you don't want to spend more than £100 on a Bluetooth headphone, but you want a good quality and good bass, Urbanista Tokyo one will be your ideal headphones. So you have a 4 hours of charge on the headphone and you have additional 3-time charge on the case. I'll leave a link below for Amazon, and subscribe and see you on the next video.